I am Navina. I'm studying second year BA HEP. My topic is types of goods. First type, rivalry. Rivalry can be prescribed as competition in the consumption if one person consume a particular good and another person has let it go to the opportunity of using it simultaneously. Second point, excludability. The term excludability refers to the restrictions on the usage of product limited to the people who have to pay for it. Third point, an excludability in their subpoints from there. First point, public goods. Private goods. The products which are to the rivalry as excludable, and at the same time the clothes, cosmetics and electronics are termed as private goods. And common goods, these goods are through rivalry and excludable, including public library and playgrounds, which can be used to the anyone. Also usage by one person to term restrictions usage by the other person or groups. And third point, club goods. Such goods are through excludable but are not rival, like the telephone, electricity, which are both chargeable. But many people can relish these services simultaneously. Fourth one, public goods. The goods which are non-rival and non-excludable at the same time. For instance, roads, village, dams, etc. Now we have to discuss features of public goods. Now we have to discuss features of public goods. First feature. Yeah, first feature is non-rival. The public goods have to the non-competition. It can serve many people at the same time without hindering the usage of one another. Second point, non excludable. These goods are usually free and cost can be used anyone without any restriction. Third point, non-rejectable. The consumption of such goods cannot be dismissed and unaccepted by the public, sir. It is available collectively at all the people. Free riding. The goods categorized under public goods benefit even those who have to pay for it. Such people are to the termed as it. Advantages of public goods. Public goods carry the benefit for the people. They have to pay. They have it. They have perspectives, collective benefits, free to use, equal access, basic amenities, social welfare. These goods can be used by many people on the public simultaneously. These are usually free for cost and can be utilized by the which it should be provided it poor equally. The primary objective of such goods to be provide essentially a maintenance to the public in general, along with promoting social welfare and the development of nations such as whole. Disadvantages of public goods: the rider of problem, excessive production cost, taken from granted, market failure. For providing public goods to be used all the people, government charges tax from the few consumers while the others had to pay free to use services or commodities even without paying for it. All they are called are free riders. Some also fixed for their tax evasion. This increases the production of such products of the government loads for the market failure. Moreover, these facility benefits of the taken to has to the rivalry. Thank you.